In this video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Fortnite two-factor authentication on the PlayStation 5. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Enabling two-factor authentication for your Epic Games account and consequently Fortnite is a process that can be done on the Epic Games website. So in order to manage your account and enable two-factor authentication, go to store.epicgames.com. When you arrive at this page, you will get the option to sign into your Epic Games account that you use for Fortnite at the top right corner of the screen, and immediately upon being signed in, all that you have to do is hover over your icon and then select Account from the drop-down menu that appears. Once you select Account from the drop-down menu, you will be redirected to this page where you can manage your account, and you have to go into Password and Security. As you can see here, you can set up a new password which is optional, but all you have to do to actually use two-factor authentication on Fortnite is to scroll down and you will find the option here. As you can see, they offer three types of two-factor authentication, either through the Authenticator app that you can download for any mobile device, through your email that you use for your Epic Games or Fortnite accounts, and through an SMS code that will be sent to a phone number that you can register. In this video, I'm not going to show the full process of any of these because, as you might be aware, they require some personal information, but it is very straightforward. All that you have to do is choose whichever option you prefer, either through the phone number, through email, or through the Authenticator app, and you are going to get detailed instructions on how to properly continue and set it up. So just include a valid phone number, you will receive the security code, input it here, or if you go by email, just visit your email and you will find the security code that was just sent to the same email of your Epic Games account. If you decide to use the Authenticator app, you are going to have to scan a QR code presented here. I hope I was able to help you on how to enable Fortnite two-factor authentication on the PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.